Hi.
That's Scott. We're on the way to purchase some Dollartree makeup for a Dollartree makeup tutorial. I've never ever used Dollartree products. I'm going to try it, and who knows, maybe I'll like something there, but I don't know what it'll be like. I don't even know like how good it is for your skin or what that stuff's tested on, but we're gonna really make sure we get the right stuff. Anyways, so that's what we're on the way to do.
I'm gonna get a monster drink.
He wants to get a monster drink.
Want one?
Yes, I do. Help wake up. Bye for now. Okay, we're at our local Dollar Tree. We're gonna be picking out some products. See, we've masked up. Mask up. Look at, they have like a contour and highlight kit.
It's a nice color.
Contour highlight. Let me buy that. They have like a tiny little full effect mascara. I'm gonna try that. Or should we try this other one, volumizing? Let's get volumizing. Lipstick, I'll let you pick out the lipstick.
Yes, you will.
There's an eyebrow pencil. We'll try. I'm trying to talk him into him proposing. I don't think he wants to. Oh my God, they have brushes. We'll
It's
even
not that
try
I don't want to.
some brushes.
It's that if you keep asking me to do it, you're gonna expect it. You have to make it where you don't know what's gonna happen.
And look, they have a nude, I'm gonna pretend he's not talking. They have a nude palette eyeshadow, and we all know how I love my
Did you
nude
not show them?
eye palette. Yes, I'm showing them. Oh, and concealer.
Are you concealing everything you're putting on?
And then they have a foundation.
Beautiful.
Oh my God, you guys, we're gonna really like try this. I don't know if dollar store makeup will work,
Well, what are
but we're gonna
these?
try
These
it.
ones here too.
I need a blush. And then I guess just lip color. Let him pick the color.
Stuff like that.
I told you you get to pick.
Okay.
Surprise me. Look at a beauty blender. We'll try a different beauty blender.
What do you want me to get here?
What did you get?
No?
Just pick one out, because I can't use both those colors at once.
Oh. You can't do like the outline? Oh, okay. Fair enough. Okay, there we
Okay,
go.
so we're gonna cut the video off here. We're gonna pay for our stuff, and then I'll try putting it on later. So there it was, guys. We just spent, what was it, $23?
$23.42.
I think it was 78 cents.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, that's how much we spent. So we're gonna try to apply those products at home. The only thing I let Scott pick was the lip color.
And the bill.
Hi you guys, I'm back home now, and I'm going to be using our purchases that we bought. Already just feeling the difference of everything. Like this brush, I don't even know what hairs are in that brush, but it feels like too soft to be anything real. Now they didn't have any primer at the Dollar Tree, so I don't have any primer, which already feels weird for me to start with no primer. But I'm going to start with this liquid foundation. I tried to get everything as remotely as I could for my color. And oh my God, that's what this product looks like on there. So I'm gonna start. I got my little trusty, my wonderful Costco mirror that I always rave about. No whatsoever coverage. I have to use almost the whole bottle to cover my face. Everything smells good. I will say that it does smell good, but my God, this beauty blender is awful. Oh, I hate this. I don't like this at all. So already the foundation, you guys, doesn't do anything. It doesn't cover nothing. I did get the most accurate color to my complexion, but my God, I don't like it at all. It makes my skin feel awful. That foundation is just absolutely dreadful. I hate it. Doesn't look bad, but I hate it. I hate putting it on. So that's a no. And the Beauty Blender sucks. So the next I'm going to put the concealer on, and it looked like this. That's what your concealer looks like. Wow. So I tried to get the best, lightest color I could. Use my end of my Beauty Blender. It's all right. Didn't really conceal much. It's all right. I guess for the Dollartree, you have to use a lot. You have to use a lot to get that in there. Holy wow. Okay, well, it's not bad. The next thing, I guess I'm going to contour and highlight, which I don't even know how that's going to work. And it looks like this. You've got your contour and your highlight. So I bought this kind of brush for that. I don't even know how this is going to be. Okay, so as I'm taking it out, half the product is going on the table. So already that just drives me nuts because that's such waste. It's not even funny. Actually, it's not too bad. That's not too bad for a bronzer. But half the product went on the table, so I don't know what that means. But so my highlight, because I only bought one brush, which again, it's going all over the, it's like basically disintegrating in the air as I pat on it. Okay, so the highlight in this does absolutely nothing. Like, I don't even know why I'm putting it on. I can't even hit the product on the side because once I do, look, like it's going everywhere. So that highlight is like absolutely dreadful. So the contour, it's LA Colors contour. So the bronzer was all right, but the highlight just, and the product went halfway all over the table. So don't recommend. So the next thing I guess I'm going to use is this blush. It just basically says blush on it. So I don't know how good that's going to be. The problem here is half of my product is going on the table. So you're losing half of your product. So the blush is okay. This brush absolutely is dreadful. Like, hello. I look like I'm from the 90s. Which I am, but, well, from the 80s. But that is just, this brush sucks. Doesn't, like, blend. Like, it doesn't blend nothing. So, next I got this loose LA Colors, the same brand as the contour and highlight, little loose powder, which everyone, okay, again, product going just everywhere on the table. We're losing half of our product. My table is just awful looking. This does nothing. This brush sucks. So I don't know. Everything does smell pretty good though. I will say that it doesn't have a bad smell. It reminds me kind of like 90s makeup. And that's that. Loose powder did nothing. I don't know. I'm at a loss here. This I can't even fathom. So next, I guess I'm going to try, because I have no eye primer. This is so weird doing this without primer, you guys. Like, I don't even like it. So next, I guess I'm going to do eyeshadow with our nude palette from LA Colors. So everything seems to be LA Colors. So I have no eye primer, so that's just weird to me not to put eye primer on. But I did get this fancy little eyeshadow brush. So I don't even know what I'm going to do. I guess I'm going to do like a 3-color thing. Oh my God. Half of my product, again, is going all over the table. So this color actually doesn't look too bad. Like, I have to say, the colors don't look horrible. They're loose, but you're losing half of your product. Like, I don't even know what this does. I don't know what the point of that is. I don't even get it, what that brush is. Okay. Not horrible color. it doesn't really do anything. It doesn't really go on. The matte color went on better than the shimmer. It did come with a nice little applicator. I don't use those, but if you had to use that, that's what you could use. Next, I'm going to go with this hugely big eyeliner pencil. I don't even think I've seen a pencil like this in a long time. And again, it's Kohl eyeliner, Wet n Wild. Let's try it. Oh my God, half the pencil just broke off. I don't know how good this would stay on all day. So that wasn't bad. I don't know if it would stay in place all day, but that so far has been my favorite product, if that means anything. Now I'm going to try mascara, and you know me, I don't have good luck with mascara because it runs all the time, but I'm going to try it. Oh my God, this looks horrendous. Look at that. That's horrendous. Oh my God, I can already tell this eyeliner, guys, is just gone all over the place. It has literally not stayed in one place since I put it on. And now this mascara, like, it's really, really liquidy, but it's going on okay. I wouldn't say it's horrible. It's from LA Colors. It seems to be everything from this dollar store is like LA Colors. I don't know. I don't know what that means, but it's not bad. It's just not for me. And I don't think, with my eyes, you guys, I don't think that would last all day. I think it would be all over the place. It's all right. Oh my God, it stinks. Ew, it stinks. Don't. It stinks. It really stinks. It doesn't smell good. Ew. Yuck. It smells. Don't. Okay, so this is the lip color that Scott picked out for me. It's a matte liquid. I like matte color for lipstick. I don't know if I would have picked this color, but God bless his heart, he tries. So yeah, I definitely want to go with this color, but he liked it. Oh Lord, lift and love duck. Literally just went all over my teeth. Well, it is what it is. You get what you pay for, I guess, is what they say. Liquid lipstick. It is very matte. My lips feel like they could glue together. It's nice. It's just, if I would pair that with a gloss. I can't believe how much that mascara stunk, you guys. It really, really stunk. Dollartree makeup. I don't think my favorite thing putting on was probably this eyeliner, which it's huge. But I don't think it would stay all day. I don't think it would stay in one place. This was a fun video anyways, but I don't think it would stay all day. And half of my product from my contour and highlight basically just went all over my table, as well as the blush and the eyeshadow as well. It was fun. We had fun doing it. I enjoy seeing you guys. So that's just, you know, for me, it was just a benefit seeing you. Okay, everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you had as much fun as I did with the Dollartree makeup. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. Give me a thumbs up and comment to me anytime. I love hearing from you guys. So that would be great if you could just comment and say hello. I would say hello back. Okay, everybody, stay safe and stay fabulous and stay healthy.